hello everyone. Let me give the quick review of our model and what are the statistics of the Bitcoin now. Okay, so we first of all we need to look into the different time frame. First, we need to look on the first I need to switch off all the drawing or whatever the drawing on the chart, and I'm switching off my model. Okay, so we can have a look of Bitcoin chart, right? This is a live chart. You see the 7th of June, and this is the 8th of June. The statics from the today's is here, right? So when you are looking for 15, so that means the Bitcoin start moving upside from at this candle, right? 2 by 12 o'clock 45 minutes at here. Okay, so then raise from here from 1 lakh 566 to up to here 1 lakh 5,354. So as you know, after that if you are looking the bigger picture, right? So then if you draw and here you can take the range how much move it is. So this is the move, right? So up to here mean how much point it has, just wait a minute. Yeah, so you can have a look. So around this is move the 20, this is the 2377 point move. Okay, so that is the bigger picture, means that is the yeah, so from this 2000 approximately 2300 points, right? This is the range we have measure, right? So now we can look, we can have a look the 5 minute time frame chart. Okay, 5 minute. So you can see these are the bound range. This is around to 2300 bound range. Okay, so after that you see the from the morning onwards 8 from the from the morning onwards here, I think yes 6 o'clock. Okay, so now this is the 8 data, right? So that is like is going up and going coming down. Okay, up to here it retraced up to here. Okay, so then you see this is the given now you can have a look the model. Okay, you see I have switched on my model, okay, which is I have developed by considering so many parameter, there are so many constraints we have considered. Okay, so you see there is a red color, means these are reversal candles. Okay, reversal candle here. So you see how the market has respect our design model. Okay, so then it's shown the reversal candle here. Okay, that market has reversed. So or and model also indicating that this one you see here the reversal sign is here, that color pop up you can see. If I'm zooming, right, if I zoom here you can have a look separately here. So here that is the signal it has given, but we yeah, see here the reversal signal has been given by our model, and this is the also reversal model. So this is the confirmation, because that is the point which is our data, our advanced model has suggested. So this was the original candle. Okay, this from this candle the market make turn reverse from here. So generally the entry was here. So if you have following our system, if you have very good understanding, then you can capture from the top. Okay, so that, but this is the safe entry. This is because we have kept some, yeah, some some consideration for the safe side. Okay, so that is you see the red angle here. After that market is not reverse, right? Up to here market has started falling down. So then here, so up to here, see, you don't need to do anything, just you need to follow our systems. Our system it will guide you. Okay, it is designed such a way, then you need to, if you are following, then you will not have the any difficulty. Okay, and you don't have the any fear of missing out. FOMO, generally we call the FOMO, you will not have anything. So see here, so if you make entry here, then see here the market is coming here, so you need to follow. After that, see, yeah, so it is a reverse, right, up to here. So up to market has came here. So after that is right, see, that is a signal. So that is the some yeah, you saw the very locally, you can show the again signal of the buy, but that is a local. So yeah, so after that market has reached here. After that signal, because it's starting showing, see here it's giving the pop-up, right? So market has our model has signed already won, the system is now going to reverse. Okay, see, this is there, and that first always you need to test, you need to wait. for the another chance. Okay, so the first time is indicated here. So then the green signal mean that the long side, and red signal you will receive whenever you receive the red signal, then it's on for the short side. Okay, so you need to follow, and you can capture it will work, right? So here and here, if you miss the entry here, then this again system is indicating to you can enter, and there, but if you miss this entry, you will lose some point, right? You will capture less point, right? So and after that you see the system the market has reached here, but our system also is indicating that this is the reversal candle. Okay, so that already won the our system. So then you see the next candle is red candle. Okay, so after that this candle is our system is sold. Okay, so now see here again market has fall, right? So again for market you need to just you see the again red signal. So red signal because you have already entered into the short side. Okay, so then again mean that's indicating mean you need to just wait and go on. Okay, the system is now because yeah, so because as you yeah see here these are the reversal sign. So again see, and this is the most important point because see this point this is the actually projecting source. So projecting source I will tell you the next. Okay, if you next slide. So here because see that projected point, so after the market is moved to ahead, so then previous source point, the projected short line you will see here next. I will tell you, so that it will go because the only the five thing you five next current five seen here. I will tell you later. Okay, first, so like that market has showed you need to follow, and that is the most important is feature here. If your SL is hit with our system, so SL will not be very big here. Okay, SL will be very high, very small. So suppose you make entry here, SL will be very small. Okay, you can previous candle you can put it here, very small SL if you follow here. So any candle means here just system is warning, right? So you are in, yeah, see red. So just you need, after that see if you make an entry here, right, then you see here the system is warning red, right? So then you need to follow the proper risk management system. Okay, so that as a, but here I shared SL will be very small number here. Okay, so yeah, so after that you see if you enter here very small candle SL here, you can see up to here that much more you can capture. Again system is warning. Okay, so then you can see because we don't have that projecting line here. Next I will tell you. So now because the system the market has moved ahead, right? So that's what that signal that what are the projecting projection has been disabled. So that because the latest chart you see here, I will tell you here. So suppose here like so it will be better, I will start here. So like that what are the things I was telling to you, that is resource point, right? That is the projecting point. So that suppose just one second, these are the like this is the projecting points you see here, that is the projected. So here this is a projected, these are the latest, suppose 1 2 3 4 previous latest point, the projection projection resources, so it will disable. Okay, latest up to 5 you can see. Okay, so because here we are having we are analyzing on the 5-minute chart, 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, so yeah, so you see these are projection points. So these I mentioned, I told you, right? Just you need to follow our system. Okay, so it's like previously I'm just going the reverse direction. Okay, so see the system. So this was the candle, so that our system already warned you. This is the like, this is like, so system already warned you that is the reversal mean this is the see the reversal. So that is the reversal has came, right? So up to that much move, that much market has made move, right, up to here. So here after that again the market has reached here, so then again the source point has come, right? Made this is the, again, so market has as you know this is the like this point is not a so you need to watch here. After that system will warn you, give you the sign. So see these the candle, if the system is giving the sign again that you need to wait, mean system is warning, you need to wait for some time, right? So then you will have the proper confirmation. Okay, later on. So but one more important point here, if you make entry here, that SL will be very less, so SL will not hit. Suppose if you enter here, then SL you see SL will not hit. So that is the very special feature in our system. Okay, so here, so you see the projecting point here. So like that you can suppose our system has given you the like if you go the previously, that our system is here, so like that you will have the sign here. So I have already mentioned here, that is the top, that is the as per this bottom has made this from this swings, this then market is coming from downside, right? So that is the beta. So that is the special feature, so that we can have exactly where the market will be reversed. Okay, it will take reverse. So here, so as you know, see here, if you put here, SL will not hit. So as you know, if you miss here, so again again our model will suggest you where you need to enter. See here again, so you don't, suppose if you enter here, that is not a good right, that is very narrow range. Okay, up to here very narrow range, around almost 200 point only. You see, if you, this is very narrow range, you can calculate, right? This is very narrow, right? 300, 400, and 400 point 300 to 400 point is nothing in the Bitcoin side. Okay, because this yeah, is very big, right? More than 1 lakh index, like that. So you see here, so again is sign giving the entering here. Okay, you see anything that now you see again it's not projecting, right? It's still okay. So that is the current, and if you look into the 5 minute 15 minute time frame chart, and you see that it still is not, just because this is the market way, market will go, and because it is making the high and low, high, low and high. Okay, so see here, the projective point is here and saying, yeah, so I can remove this because this is very, yeah. So see, this is the our system. Okay, so now, and with the help of design model, I have already explained in the previous some videos, so you can have the very good, you can plot the Elliottwave on with the help of our system will help you to draw the proper Elliott. Okay, so that, and you can select any time frame. So suppose I am selecting the very less 1 minute time frame. Okay, then you see here, just let me one, you see here one. If you want to put the Elliott here for the this where from here, right? This is wait a minute, we need to look into the bottom, the market here, right? So from market here, so if you see the one with the very local time locally, so you see, so generally, yeah, you see here. So but it will help. Okay, it will take more time if I draw. We can draw in proper way. Okay, so because I have made already the video on, especially with the help of our model. Our design model is helping to draw proper in a proper way, wherever, yeah. So see here, I want to show the project. This is very important feature, right? So see here, nervous system. So exactly this point you need to follow, right? So here, see here. So the accuracy also very high, and basically the conversion rate of our design system is very high. You see here. So again, it's see, it's a projecting from the downside. So similar way, like if market has made again reverse move, so then that resource point will be generated. Okay, so then you can see that basically, yeah. So basically here still not signed the reverse, right? So it's coming. So yeah. So if you are seeking the look, if you are looking for the locally, right, is only this way up to from here. So that is the constant. So here, so that's you see here. If you are looking from this point to this point, you see then you can mark that what we call, you can mark the resource point, right? This also back side, right? And this is yeah, and above side, this one you can also mark here. Okay, and you have already marked it here. So starting point here, then you can draw for the locally the Elliott. See here, here you can make just point here and here, and just this is the point. Okay, here and here the same. Okay, both the same. Yeah, so this is right. So you can assume, if you calculate the value it will be exactly. So for this only this zone, only this swing, we are just analyzing from here. You can see here the completely as a Elliottwave. You see, this is only the impulsive, this is only the impulsive wave, right? So here, suppose here, yeah, So this is the impulsive, right? So then if you want to make the complete move, then you should have the corrective. So from here, here, here and here, you see here. Now this is the complete move. I have already select. So the how it is how so with the help of our design model, this is very easy to do, draw the Elliott. You see, if you calculate it here, as you know, here, this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Wave 5, wave 1 almost corresponding to the wave 1, right? And if you see internally, locally, you see it only this one, wave 5, right? This is also having a extension. If you may, you going to that we call the extension, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like internally. So then it is very yeah, yeah. If you take the proper projected point now, so then it will be very accurate. So suppose I want to analyze in more detail. I want to calculate the move. Okay, how much? So suppose here up to here, like suppose 1% we are considering, then what is the move should be? It should be move 38% to 0.5%, 50%. Okay, so that is number. So all the number is varying. Okay, so this number we have the fixed number 0.5 to 0.6, 0.34, 0.38% or 38%, basically 38 point two something percent. Okay, and maximum 50%. So if more than 50%, it means you are not you are not drawing the proper so point. Okay, so then you need to look into the proper entry. Okay, so now suppose if you calculate this wave here, so you what I told you, this is the minimum 100%, right? But it should it will not be have the lesser than this. Okay, so it always be have the more than this wave 1. This is the wave 3. Okay, wave 3 you see completely 1, right? And after that, how much it will retrace? It can be retrace up to 50%, but it is the this basically depend on the various situation we have considered here. Okay, so see here, after that you see the complete wave 4, this wave 5 I told you, whatever the this is the exactly this wave, right? So then you can analyze. So that's you see the advantage. You see now what is the advantage of our model is guiding. You see here ours, if you draw that, it is very, if you switch everything, right, you see here our system is exactly guiding and is showing the some signal also. Yeah, when you should make the your decision. Okay, so it will give you the direction. Okay, so yeah, if you see that if you look into the bigger time frame, right? So like we have considered 3, and we can also consider, so time frame, it doesn't matter here. So suppose if you want to if you are analyzing analyzing any chart on the bigger time frame, you should wait, right? So market has to form, right? So that is the only the way you need to wait. It will take more time to form the structure, right? So and if you want to see the result or and the effect of our model, you should have the very less time frame. Then you can have immediately you can have a look, our system will guide you. See at the 1 minute time frame, you see our project, our system is already the here, right? It's project, I what I told you, that you see that again the projection is starting from here, right? You see here. So that is the, and what are the things you measure here? I have not i have not used any trend line, any support, any resistance. That is the special feature of our design model. Okay, so you don't need to look any other things. Okay, just you need to follow the system. So the system will guide you, and you need to follow, then make a decision. Only you need to take the view, the bigger time frame, smaller time frame, and you can analyze any asset chart, any underlying chart, any index chart, any commodity, anything you can analyze. So yeah, so that is the constraint. And we have considered here so many constraints we have, but this is just only the double of final version, right? So where this is also a very advanced feature. So if I explain, then if you follow this, then you will not have any single wrong entry. Okay, so that is the special fee is. So yeah, so that's it for just now. Yeah, time is now 11:45 here, so it's very time now. Yeah, so If you need any help, anything, and any if you want to know about my design model, you can drop me a mail, so then we can have the discussion separately. Okay, so yeah, yeah, you see here still, yeah, and you see just switch off the model. Yeah, if you uh, look for the line chart, you see line chart, see again our model, it will guide you, it will give you the same projecting point. Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, see you, bye, till next weekend. Okay, see you again, bye.